Alright, we're back at it, Rabbit Dry Lake. We're shooting some videos, shooting some pictures, doing all kinds of crazy stuff out here. So, anyway, Chris Wolfe is going to be shooting some video. The RC Geek is going to shoot some video for his channel, so I don't want to spoil it for him. But, yeah, this is a crew right here. So you've got the video. Brent's going to be taking some pictures. So, yeah. This is Justin's beautiful North American Sabreliner. This is the Sabreliner 40 version. There's also a 65, and there's just a bunch of others out there. But this is the one that Bob Hoover made famous. Flying in his air shows. And, yeah. So now, we had this plane out last weekend, and there's a bit of an in-flight emergency. One of the motors seemed to let go, or maybe even had a bearing freeze up. But anyways, had a bit of an in-flight emergency. Had to land it rather quickly. So we're out testing it. It has a new motor. Here's the port motor, the left motor that went. So we're testing it right now. And it appears to be moving out pretty good. All right. All right. So again, this is a North American Sabreliner. This is a Sabreliner 40. And this is painted up as the Sabreliner that the world famous Bob Hoover, Robert A. Bob Hoover, used to fly when he was the pitchman for North American for a number of years. You can hear the cameras clicking away, and the RC Geek is down there at the end. He's shooting video for his channel. And let's see, there he is. Alright. Doing a photo pass right there. It's also called a Farnborough pass from Farnborough, England, the air show. And pilots started doing that in order to present the top of the aircraft. You know, it's the whole show my nice side sort of thing. So yeah, so it's called a photo pass / Farnborough pass. And we're starting to lose it a little bit because, well, it's just hard to follow these things sometimes. And believe it or not, you'd think the white would be easy to follow, but it isn't necessarily that easy to follow. Especially a jet like this, it flies so fast and so good. But the good thing is Justin flies nice scale lines, so it's kind of easy to follow because of that. This plane was built off of original plans that were developed by Paul Stelly and John Ebert, and they build some really nice scale civilian sports scale airplanes. And Paul built a really nice Sabreliner 65. Did it up in nice, you know, retro 1960s paint scheme, and had it up in St. George, Utah, and Justin saw it and said, "Oh my gosh, that thing's gorgeous." So asked Paul, said, "Could you there we are." Asked Paul, said, "Would you mind sending me the 3 views or whatever you used to build it?" Nice. Nice. And he did. And so Justin got the 3 views, shortened them up just a little bit. Got some wood bulkheads that Paul sent him templates for some of the wood bulkheads that he used in his jet. And the rest is history. And now Justin has his own Sabreliner 40. Sabreliner 40. Twin EDFs, electric fans. This is foam, it's glass over foam. It's just a beautiful jet. Alright, there we are. The RC Geek himself getting some good video footage. Alright, and we are as well. So hey, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing everybody. Thanks for tuning in. We're at a very busy Saturday down here at Rabbit Dry Lake. We're in the Mojave Desert, about halfway between Apple Valley and a little town called Lucerne. In any event, again, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. Cheers, blue skies, happy landings, and all the best from Just Wing It.